Who don't like French fries, right? So today's video is going to dedicate it to all French fries lovers, but in an improvised way and little healthier version. So without wasting any time, let's dig into it.
First of all, I am taking a sweet potato. I have peeled the skin. If you want, you can keep with the skin too. It's completely on your choice. And I'm cutting here into the wedges. Try to make it evenly so that it cooks evenly. And now I am placing everything in a cold water and keep it for 10 minutes so that all the starch get out. Keep it aside. Meanwhile, we will prepare our dressing. We need 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil as you like. Adding 1 teaspoon of SAMbal sauce. If you feel it's spicy, keep it less. Adding salt according to taste. Half teaspoon of curry powder and 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just crushing it and adding. Mix it well and keep this aside too. Now I am going to prepare side salad for these fries so that it's a complete bowl of everything with the protein, with minerals, with carbs, everything. So here I am going to cut 8 to 10 cherry tomatoes and also chopping half onion. Just cut it out and taking out in a bowl and adding half cup of boiled white beans. You can also use black beans or any beans, whichever you like, and adding half teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, little bit of salt. Toss it well and here you go. Keep it aside. Now coming back to the sweet potatoes, I have drained water and laid down in a clean kitchen towel and also trying to take out all the excess water with the help of paper towel. See, paper towel is also wet. This will help French fries in becoming crisp, otherwise it becomes soggy. Do whatever method you like, but please take out all the excess water, otherwise it will become soggy. That won't taste good. So I am using a paper towel also. Now I am transferring the sweet potatoes to the parchment lined baking dish and place as apart as you can. Don't place it so close, otherwise it will stuck together. Now with the help of brush, I am going to spread the dip all over the sweet potatoes. Just place it all over, throwing little bit of breadcrumbs all over the sweet potatoes. This add crust and add crunch to the sweet potatoes. If you don't have breadcrumbs, just spread little bit of corn flour. That equally works. Now I am going to placing this tray in an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. In 15 minutes, I am going to flip it around, then it's ready to serve. Just assemble the sweet potato first in a plate and add the salad which we made and handful of coriander, little bit of mayo, and here you go. Enjoy! How delicious it's looking. Give it a try and let me know in the comments.
So how you find this recipe? If you like this recipe, please hit the like button. That gives lots of motivation to me to make more videos. Also subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and family. Right now signing off. Till then, bye, take care.